Well, I have a pretty messy workshop at the moment. It's jam-packed with cars, bikes, all sorts of things. On the weekend, we pulled the front end out of this car. All the front end, the lower control arms, upper control arms, ball joints. And my Maloo has to sit underneath with the rag on top in case this car wants to leak on it. And my Datsun, well, it gets to sit over here now, crams up the workshop a bit. Here's my other project. This is a SR20 in one of these little Datsuns. It's going to go like shit off a shovel. You can hear my neighbour dying in the background out there. I did this little job this morning. The customer wanted an extra step put on it, but I don't have the same press that was used to fabricate this one in the first place. I've only got a brake press. I've got a pan brake instead of a brake press, and the brake press was used to make these. You can see by the lines, the little lines in here and here, where it's been pressed in a V block, whereas this one has been pressed in my pan brake, but still did the right job. And then this customer wanted an extension on the front of his trolley. And of course, here's the boat, but I can't show you the finished product because that will blow out my 2 other videos I'm about to put on for you. So this is my shop today. For all you Ford fans out there, there's one. Here's all the disc brakes and ball joints and lowered springs and torsion bars that we pulled off the Isuzu Bellat, show-stopping Isuzu Bellat. It stops everybody at a show, this car. You've seen it in my shorts before. And here's the Maloo. Some special features on the Maloo. That folds out. That's so you can put a CR500 in the back of one of these things and drop the tailgate down and still see the number plate. For the cool kids in town. And here's a 1961 Vespa in original condition.